Exploring secure file attachment delivery with SecurTrac. With SecurTrac configured to act as a secure file attachment delivery mechanism, users can compose an email and add any desired file attachments as per the usual process in IBM Notes client. Users can then use the attachment options button in their mail database to identify that they would like to have the file attachments delivered securely via SecurTrac. For added security, the user can also specify that a verification code is required in order to download the file attachments. The code will be sent to the intended email recipient only. If someone who is not the original email recipient accesses the download link, they will not be able to receive a verification code and will not be able to download the file attachments. When the email arrives in the inbox of the intended recipient, it can be seen that the file attachments have been replaced with download links. After clicking on the file attachment download link, the user will be prompted to specify their email address so that the verification code can be sent to them. Once the recipient has received the verification code via email, they can simply access the download link again and they will be prompted to input the verification code. When the verification code has been accepted, the file attachment download will begin automatically using an SSL encrypted connection. To learn more, please visit our website.